Ja, hallo allemaal, daar zijn we weer. We hebben weer een spelletje Creativerse. Ik heb een iets andere locatie, in een nieuwere wereld. En vandaag gaan we even kijken naar een blueprint. Even kijken, Sam's Pub. En deze. Ik had al wat dingen verzameld allemaal. Ik had hier al wat dingen leeggemaakt. Dus ik ga hier op de rand even naar de nummer 1 kijken. En ik denk dat wij deze gaan plaatsen. En dan moeten we hier even wat weghalen. Die horen niet hier. Dus even kijken. Dit zijn weepwood flowers. Oké, ik denk dat we wat dingen moeten gaan verzamelen. Zo te zien moet hier gras komen. En laten we dat eerst maar eens gaan doen. En als ik mij even niet vergis, heb ik hier wat, ja, gras inzetten. Dus we gaan even kijken of we er wat van kunnen maken. En zo te zien kunnen we er wel wat van maken. Nummer 3. Dan gaan we eens kijken hoe ver hij deze kant op wil. Oh, oké. Nou, dat stukje hebben we gehad. Volgens mij is dus alleen de twee buitenste lijnen maar met gras. Niet dat ik het erg vind, ik heb wel een project gehad dat was 29.000 stenen. En meer dan de helft was dit gras. Nou is dit vrij makkelijk te vinden. Zoals je ziet ligt het overal om je heen. Ik heb nu expres een klein project genomen. Van niet al te veel stenen. Volgens mij zijn het maar 400 of zo. Maar we zullen zien. Dan gaan we zo even kijken wat we allemaal nodig hebben. Ik kan er ook achter plaatsen, ja. Nou, eens even kijken. Ik mis er nog één die ik ergens moet plaatsen, maar dat komt er ook wel. Even kijken. Engineers wall. Oh, dan moet ik een andere handschoen maken, denk ik. Weepwood flower. Weepwood leaves. Daar heb ik er zat van. Stoeltjes, tafels heb ik al een paar van. Lampen, stones, ja. We gaan even kijken wat we uitleggen. En wat is dit? Stack stone wall. Oké. We gaan even wat steentjes ophalen. Dit is wall. Stone block wall. Dus hier heb ik niks van nodig. Die zit erin, die zit erin, die zit erin. Die heb ik gezien. Volgens mij die ook. Voor de zekerheid nemen we even wat gewone steentjes erbij. Vast kijken, dan kan ik zelf zien natuurlijk. Hè? Pardon. Sterk stone wall. Moet ik een stone rod erbij hebben. En die heb ik volgens mij hier. Heel mooi. Dus we gaan er even een paar maken. Ik weet alleen niet meer hoeveel ik nodig heb, maar de reserve kan nooit geen kwaad, toch? Dus even kijken. We gaan naar de min. Dat is niet de goeie. Moet ik zo maar, heb ik zo maar hierin staan. Oh, dat is gewoon steen. We gaan even de inventaris volgooien met wat we niet nodig hebben. En volgens mij moet ik die hebben. Die zet ik ook even in. Kijk. En die werkt wel. En volgens mij ik begin liever bij de bodem dan dat ik meteen omhoog ga. Even kijken. Ja, die heb ik ook. Craft. En bla 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 wall. Wat is het nou weer? Redwood wall. Obsidian. Moet ik die toevallig hierin maken dan? Niet hier in ieder geval. Hier dan. Ook niet. Dan zal ik ze toch hier moeten maken. Eerst maar eens wat dingen vrijmaken. Ik heb geen carpets nodig. Ik moet die copperwall, platinum wall. Obsidian. Deze. Oh, daar heb ik ook ijzer voor nodig, zie ik. Oké, dat kost me dus een paar handschoentjes. Dan moet ik die voor hebben. Dit is gewoon kruidwoord. Dit is... Ik neem jou even mee. Dan neem ik jou ook mee. Slaapsmaker. En hier wil ik al in zetten. Waxie zou ik wel nodig hebben. Dan heb je tegenwoordig bijna nog alles nodig. Hier heb ik niks van nodig. Waar heb ik die stenen van? Is die zo? Ja, goed. Even kijken. Een rode paddenstoelen. Bedrock. Niet hier. Ook niet hier. Bedrock. En dan zullen we die rode paddenstoelen hier ergens in moeten zetten. Of heb ik die toevallig gewoon ergens gedumpt? Dan zullen ze hierin moeten zetten. Ook niet, je gaat niet zeggen dat ik ze allemaal al op had, wel. Ah, hier zijn ze. Dat was al even moet gedaan hebben. Stone slabs en obsidian. Even kijken, stone slabs zou ik hier aan zitten. Dat is dat. Het beste dat ik er geen meer had, dus ik had al een aantal voorraad gemaakt. En dan bij jou, daarom had ik hout gepakt. Dus ik kan het geluid er niet bij houden. Oh kijk, er zit nog wel in. Deze ook. Dat is heel fijn. Oh, toen was ik door het hout heen. Nou, prima. Als het goed is. Ja. 2. Nou, dat is niet hoor. Je moet wel op schuifjes te worden. En waar heb ik die in bekleed trouwens? Heb ik die ook hierheen gedaan? Of heb ik die helemaal weer opgedaan? Volgens mij heb ik die allemaal opgemaakt. Ja. Dus wat heb ik ervoor nodig? Obsidian slab. Oké. Over. Dat duurt even natuurlijk. Ja, prima. Moest ik nou ook alweer voor die... Was dat is? Ja. IJzer, Iron Wall, Mine en Glorious Rock. Volgens mij kan ik die alleen maar mijnen met een andere handschoen. Niet met de paarse. Dat heb ik hier even nodig. Die orange mushrooms, die heb ik niet eens. En die ook niet. Die heb ik even niet nodig. Het zijn er niet veel, maar het zijn er wat. Oh, het zijn er maar 2. We hebben weer wat vrijgespeeld. Ja, ik moet er toch een paar hebben als ik ijzer wil vinden. Deze niet meer. Of bij deze. Ik heb maar 2 vinden. Oké, dan moeten we het allemaal mee doen. We gaan op zoek naar ijzer. En dat hebben we nodig om die muur te maken. Waardoor we die ene steen vrij kunnen springen. Dan weet ik ook gelijk wat ik ervoor nodig heb om het te maken. Daar zijn ze. Dat kwam mooi uit. Ik hoop dat het meer zijn is, want we hebben over genomen. Dat is het nadeel, je moet zoveel mijnen voor een paar stukjes ijzer. Nou ja, het is niet anders. Oh, wat is dat? Kunnen we altijd uitbreiden. Nee, nog meer paddenstoelen. So, for my English fans, I tried to stream this game, didn't work. Somehow the picture just keeps stalling, standing still, jumping frames. Doesn't want to work on Twitch. And doesn't want to work on YouTube either, so I decided for now, until I have my new graphics card, I'm just gonna do videos. This seems to work, so that's what I'm gonna do for now. Only making videos. Are you done yet? No, you're not. It's too bad, but at the moment it's just a little fucked up. But I am gonna fix it. And when I can win some money with playing poker, I do stream poker. Somehow that will work. But it won't work when I want to play a video game. But if I can win some money by playing poker, I'm gonna buy myself a new video card, a 1080 GT or GX or whatever you want to call it. I now have a 630, and I think that's the problem. I think my video card is too low for handling games. I can play them very easily, but when I want to record, or at least if I want to do a stream, it doesn't want to, somehow. So, unfortunately, I have to wait until I get enough money to buy myself a new video card. And when I have that and it works, I'm gonna stream the hell out of this game. And also other games. Both on Twitch and YouTube. I like playing games, I like playing poker, I like doing vlogs. I like doing YouTube and Twitch. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. Give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, just leave a message down below. So we'll see. At least I want to thank you for watching. I know I'm not good yet, but I'm trying to be, so if you can help me out, please do. Now I'm looking for iron. Trying to get enough to get me some building materials to unlock new bricks, which I'm gonna need for my blueprint. So we found another piece. Let's collect the other one for now. I think it's 6. 10. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, there is. So we put one down again. And collect some more. Oh, damn. Already done? I'm gonna put up some light if it wants to stay, so we can see a little better. Let's see, are you done yet? Nope. Doesn't want to go fast. Oh well, we'll wait. I've got time. We'll take out a few more rocks trying to find some iron. Later on I will be playing some Minecraft. Also a new game to me. Probably not to a lot of you. So you can watch me fuck up another game. As of next week I will be streaming poker, so stay tuned. Watch my channel. If you want to see me win some money or lose. I hope win. At least I won my last live tournament. Which was fun. Let's go to 9, put up a light. Mold. I'm gonna need that stuff. I'm gonna need iron too. Let's see, you're done yet? Yes, you are. Thank you. Anything else? Yes, there is. Let's go to 1, put you down. Go to the other side. Nope. Where the hell did I put that other one? In here. Collect. Anything else? Station light, siltstone. No more iron. Damn. Only 2. I was hoping for 3. We'll find some more. Yeah, 2, only 2. Too bad. But at least it's something. Last one. Alright. I'll take you off and I'll go back up. See what we can do with the pieces we have now. Don't jump too far. I think I probably need to melt them down. Actually, I know for sure, so I'm gonna need some wood again. I did not put it on you, I did not put it on you, I did put it on you. So, with iron. $19. Now, let's see what, we'll wait for a minute. Oh, there's a chest up there. I've put down a beacon so I can find my chest back. I ran into some trouble trying to locate my chests with no lights. And I wandered too far from home. So it took me a while to get back. So I did this. And it seems I need to die a couple of times. Because I need that depth part thingy. Which leaves behind when you die. Now, collect. Now what can we do with this? Let's see. Don't need you. But I do need you. So what do I need? Extract ore. I've done that. Craft iron wool. How the hell do I craft an iron wool? What's an iron wool? What? I gotta go look again. Not you, not you. What are you? Redwood wool? Yellow wool? You're not iron. Are you iron? No. No. This is an iron wall. What do I need? Craft obsidian brick wall. Oh, come on. Asphalt. Obsidian brick wall. Okay. So I need globe of goo and obsidian slab. Do I have that stuff? I have one. Don't I have any more? Don't need you. So I need that and obsidian slab. Okay. Do you have slabs? Not from you. You then. Works. Where the hell did I put my obsidian? Oh, right here. So I got you. Iron wall ready to unlock. Is the iron wall? Yes, it is. What do I need? Obsidian rod 1. Now that I've done that, can I do the other one? Which one was it? This one? Mine igneous rock. Okay. So I need to mine igneous rock, but I don't have the right gloves for it. So I need to go 1 tier up. So I need seashells, glowing mushrooms. I have 1. Okay, that's enough. Salt rock, I think I have somewhere around here. Yes. Seashells. I know I've got enough. What do I need? Iron bar. I'm making an iron bar, right? Yes, I am. Are they finished? Almost. But I can collect. So now I can make you. Your inventory is full. Ah, crap. Can I put something in here? I'll put you in here. For now. Don't need you just yet. Okay, can I do it now? Yes, I can. Thank you very much. So now I can mine the rock, I think. I'll put you on. Go back in the mine. Get me some of those stones. Man, there's a lot of creatures down here. Go away. Don't need you all here. So can I mine this now? Yes, I can. Alright. I'm probably gonna need a couple of them. Because I may need those other bricks. Seems there's a hole down there. Yes, there is. So let's go to the side then. I found some diamonds, so let's collect. I'm just gonna collect as much as I can from this glove. I'll finish off the glove. I have to watch my temperature. Because if that bar with the flame hits the end of it, I'm gonna burn up. And I need a couple of those inglorious rocks. for the blueprint. I'm probably gonna need some stones to craft the other stones I need. I'm sorry about that, I just knocked over my microphone, so I'm just gonna go back for a few seconds before I burn up. As you can see, the bar goes back. And I'm already halfway through my brownish glove. If I stand here, I don't burn up. So now that it's gone, I go back in and try to mine some more. I'll put up another torch. Can I go 3 deep here? Yes, I can. I also need some tourmaline, I think, to get the diamond glove. That stuff's also hard to find. My glove's almost done. So I'm taking out the wrong rocks. I need these ones. Hello. More diamonds. I think those two are the rocks I need for the tourmaline, but I don't want to go to an... Here's one. Yes, there it is. And they're usually 3. More diamonds, okay. Well, let's collect the diamonds and go back up. Again, my inventory is full. Can I throw out something? Yes, I can. Now I can collect you. And you. And go back up because I'm almost on fire. Now let's go all the way back up Is there any iron here? No, I already collected it, right? Yes, I did. Now, let's see. I think I have unlocked the stone I need now. Now I need to know what I need to have to make it. So let's see. I did that already. Is it already here then? Yes, it is. What do I need? Oh, I got enough of them. Iron rods. I don't have iron rods. I'm probably gonna need to make them. I've put in all my iron that I have. And you are empty? No, you're with obsidian. Now, no. So I need to go in this one. Collect. Put you in. One of you. And those were my iron bars. Don't need you. Can do you. Can I make? Yes, I can. And I can use you. So let's go. So. Now let's see. You're empty. And I'll put you in with this. You're not empty, but I can put it you. This is mold, so I'm not going to put you in here. This mold too then? Silverstone. This is mold. Come back in. I'll put you in. You, and you. You, and not you. Wood. That's about it. You I'm probably gonna need again. Put you in. Don't need you. Don't need you. You. Oh, what the hell? Just put it in. I need the room. For you, I don't have to go that far. Wooden slabs. Stone. Waxy. Put you in. And I'm done for today. Now let's see, what can I get from you? Thank you. Can I collect you? Yes, I can. Now, what did I need? Oh, I still need the wax and the rocks. Okay. So go back and get the wax. And I think I did it you right here. Now let's see how many I need so I don't overcharge. 129. Craft. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 80. Two more. And that leaves me with 7 overs. Alright. So we go to 7 and get you placed. And this is how you build a blueprint. Real easy. You just need to make sure you have all the stones you need to make a blueprint. In this case, I didn't have this. Didn't do my research. But I have them now. And I think I only gonna need this kind of stone for the bottom layer. So when I'm finished with my bottom layer, I'm gonna log off, leave you with the idea how to make a reasonable blueprint. This one isn't that big, it's only 900 stones or less. Like I said, I already built one that was 27,000 stones. Took me a week to build it, and I think about 6 hours play a day. But in that account I almost had all the stones I needed. Unlocked all the stones I needed. Damn, that's mud. I can do that real quick. I'm just gonna take one of those, go back. And put it in there. 0. And then go back to 7. And if I'm right, it leaves me with 7 or 8 stones. That I have no need for. What? Oh, there's something on it, right? Usually is. Like I said, it leaves me with 7 stones I don't need. So, this is what a blueprint looks like. Every time you place something, it puts back something you need or don't need. So this is my first foundation. And the rest I build next time. So peeps, have fun playing. Subscribe to my channel, because it's gonna make me real happy if you do so. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.